Hello, all, welcome to my YouTube channel. And as you know, it's a very good day. And so today I'm going to do something interesting, as you already seen the thumbnail and the title of the video. So we are going to make Maggi by using 100 sticks. I mean, not 100 exactly, but how many we could get that many. So let's start. And if you are unsubscribed to my channel, please subscribe. There's a lot good content coming to you guys. So this is an update of my previous short. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. So I basically see a lot of sticks here. You can see, right? So I'm going to collect this and meet you soon. What would be done with these sticks? So guys, I finally found this place. So I shifted from my backyard to my front yard. So it doesn't give feel of forest vibes, but at least we're going to try something new, right? And so I brought the essential items to light up. So this is a matchbox, and this is a bowl to make Maggi, and a Caesar, and this is a Maggi masala packet, and one chili. That's it. And Maggi, we are going to make a perfect Maggi by using our ancient methods. So let's try this one. So basically I had to change the bowl because my mom warned me if it's messed up, so I had to change the
somewhere by the endless sea, where the moon and water meet, somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take, something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge, they say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away.
so it feels good. And in my first attempt, you see it's boiling. So I'll be showing you with a closer look. I didn't imagine, but it's happening. Yeah.
Something's gonna bring a change, journeys we are meant to take, something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
it's my third time lighting up this thing, the campfire, whatever you will. So it's been so difficult for me to do this and so hard to do these things. And now I know how difficult it would be for a YouTuber to do such amazing content living in a ocean for 7 days. So hats off to them. And I should light up this again. And I think the Maggi is almost done. It's becoming soggy. So let us continue the video and enjoy this kind of fast video. So basically I'm using a paper to light it up because it's difficult to light it up with the sticks. They are not lighting. I'm using a paper. Sorry guys. I think using paper in this video is okay because we are not ancestors. It is good excuse for you doing the such things. It's easy to light it up like this. It's so heavy. It's up and it's beautiful. And I guess this is almost ready. And I think I'm going to throw this ball forever. Look, take a look at that. And I guess my Maggi is done, so adding some chili. Last, we'll do it a perfect touch. So better light it up again for the last time. So with the final bottom, we would be. So showing you Maggi. The time is 6:15 PM and you can see it's getting right now, and I think it's done, almost done. So it's done, so let's remove this one. Chili. Don't wait for adding now. I should have added this before. Added. Just for the decoration. It's enough. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. In case, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. By the way, I'll be showing you the things after this video. Bloopers. It was good. So it's getting dark. So guys, I'm not lying, and exactly the time is, you can see right, it's 6:38.